Hi guys, this is Michelle Hørdum. In this video I want to show you how to upgrade your profile. Example, you can only have one pack at a time, but you can always upgrade between the different packs and then only pay the difference between the packs. So this I'm going to show you in this video. You go under Profile Management and Package Purchase. An example, I have a Silver Pack 1. And I'm actually going to upgrade it to silver number 3 today. But yeah, doesn't matter which one it is, you just click here. And then you can see you shall only pay this amount and you click submit. I don't do it right now because I'm going to use this feature or this upgrade in a live video about my 1 month review. So, but here it is where you're going to upgrade your package. Bye bye.